Hit it! Hit the fucking blunt, nigga!
It's some Cali plug.
The CIA! It's Russia! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! I ain't gonna lie, chat. The beach stopped being that lit for me ever since I heard like the majority of that water is just welcome. Like, all these niggas just swimming around in welcome. Not me. My nigga Jordan said I just found a devil fruit, nigga. It fell out the tree and everything. Did I eat it?
Fucking tired.
Huh? You wanna die? Oh, you finna die. You just a little fucking Alvin and a little fucking chipmunk. Hey, turn it off. What's good, chat? Niggas is really out here. Niggas finna just walk to the beach, bro. I said we was finna be doing some shit. That's the shit. The shit we doing in question. Oh shit. Niggas just out in the street, you feel me? Niggas out in the street. Bro, we walking, bro. Hold on, let me show you. Ah! Let me show you the ocean. There go the ocean, nigga. Alright, now we up here. We gonna be over there or something. We finna teleport. Hey, squirrel niggas. Hey, squirrel.
Hit the blunt, guys.
Hit the blunt, squirrel, cuz. Hit it. Hit the fucking blunt, nigga.
It's some Cali plug.
It's some fucking Cali plug. Yo, this dumbass fucking squirrel ain't trying to hit the blunt. Hold on. Squirrel, hit the blunt, nigga.
Why he staring at you like you want to fade?
Hit the blunt.
Why he staring at
Oh, shit. Thought that nigga was finna press the issue. Oh, look. Hey, look. Hey, look. You see the... Look, there go the Ferris... Oh, shit. I ain't got quality. Look at all these fucking little jits. Yeah, you just a little fucking Alvin and a little fucking chipmunk. Very little niggas. I don't got no legs. Oh, didn't I tell y'all niggas I was gonna teleport? We so close to the water, I can taste the salt and shit. This shit crazy, bro. Look, look. See the water? Wave ain't coming. Look. Man, I was trying to film some more clips for y'all boys. Let's sit here with the ladies. Walk right in front of the shop. Let me show y'all niggas who went out there. Can't even lie, like this the time and we go shine in peace. I told my little brother, that's my brother, I'm gonna get him right. I told my little brother, I go. Bro, the air is crispy, dude. Crispy air, like it tastes good. It feels calm. I like the air. You know, I'll be in a Dino in the desert and it be hot over here. You can breathe. Like, right here at the beach, you know, the water got some oxygen or something in it. The air always got oxygen. To be honest, chat, it do look like if you keep going, you would just fall off the end of that bitch. But I want to feel like I see a curve. I don't know, bro. I watch a lot of mermaid shows and shit, bro. Well, I don't really got nothing to do with this, but I could be lit if niggas get transformed and just explore the ocean. What's that over there? Should I say the Aaron code? Right here, Aaron is the, what's the name? Is a dictator. I heard, he's a womanizer. Whoa, I just ended it before y'all seen the cool ass wave. I guess it ain't gonna come back. Y'all just have to miss out on that. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, that's my bad, chat. Then there was another wave soon as I switched it back, bruh. Y'all niggas ain't seeing shit. You cooked. I'm not cooked though. I'm all Gucci. Alright, chat. There's a building back there. That shit look fake. It look like I'm on a fake beach, huh? Nah, like. This a real beach. Oh shit. They got a helicopter. It's the police. Fuck them niggas. Stop the water, chat. Stop this shit. Stop! Oh shit. It's not listening. I put a whole ride in his chest. Now he look like Krillin. Yeah, bro, we out. Bro, we over here behind the ocean. Almost walked into it. Look at how deep that. Oh my god. Oh shit. Niggas really just out here, bro. Just stepping on the beach. Stepping on the beach. Stepping on the beach. Stepping on the beach. She's stepping on the beach. CIA. The CIA. They won't even focus. They got technology fucking up my shit. They got flags and shit. It's Russia. All these rocks my mom's done found. It's upside down and shit. But y'all see it? Hey yo, chat. A big ass wave finna come. I swear, bro. I'm gonna have to flip my camera because I'm right here. Hold on. Alright, I waited for y'all. Look. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh man.
You gotta fucking stop.
I'll just show y'all, bro. Look, there's more. Hold on, we going right back. Oh, the big one. Oh shit, chain reaction. Y'all seen that? I think I got that for y'all. Yeah. Alright, we going right back. Maybe y'all want to see my facial reaction. I'll do the same thing, but you feel me? My face now. Laughing on the beat like a villain in this bitch. Look. Oh shit. Oh, they ain't nothing coming yet. I gotta stop. My knee hurting and shit. You gonna do a backflip? Fuck no. He gonna do a backflip, chat. I'm gonna record it. I ain't gonna lie, chat. The beach stopped being that lit for me ever since I heard like the majority of that water is just welcome. Like, you feel me? I fuck with water. I fuck with the pool and shit. But you see, I'm not stepping my foot in this water or nothing. Like, I'm gonna show y'all from perspective. Look at this old ass nigga chilling in welcome. All these niggas just swimming around in welcome. Not me, chat. Niggas over here really just walking in welcome. Look at his ass behind me, bro. Niggas just walking out of welcome. That nigga Sly J running, bro. As you can see, my shoes is fucked now. So I guess we could get a little bit closer for you boys. Hold on. Oh shit. All right, up in it now. Oh shit, hold on, let me see. All right, different quad, you feel me? Look, bro. Come on, Wade, where you at? I'm right here, man. Oh shit, that's the little one. I still ain't just finished chilling the welcome. Oh shit, I wonder if y'all hear that. I guess. Let me blur, hold on. Change the angle because y'all told us in the last take. Crazy ass rucks. Look, chat, my mom just gave me this ruck. I gotta keep this ruck, chat. I'm gonna put it in my studio. This is fucking C-Rock. Let me let that bitch go fucking drive. This nigga Slack J a runner. You finna run? Run, bro, run! 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 I don't think bro's gonna run.
I'm tired.
Huh? You wanna die? Oh, you finna die. Nah, this dead GTA, dude. I can't wait for 6 to drop. Y'all know, like, when you drive your car over here and fucking crash? If you just keep going over there, that's where you get to the bunker and shit. If real niggas know what I'm talking about. My nigga Jordan said, I just found a devil fruit, nigga. It fell out the tree and everything. Did I eat it? I'm finna eat this bitch, chat. Tell me what devil fruit you think I'm gonna get.
It's gonna get fine.
Oh shit. Niggas got some good ass eats, you feel me? Yeah, huh? Niggas finna,
fucking meal.
niggas just came up, you feel me? Ate some good shit. Finna eat good. You two niggas. I'm over here with my dog Ghost. And I'm here with Slack J.
Hey, what's the deal, man? I'll see what the fuck going on. Nigga looking rough, but still life.
Hey.
My phone's in my pocket on that and playing with the dog.
Say hi.
Playing with the dog or you know.
Say hi. Say hi, Ghost. Ha ha. Say hi.
This is Uncle's house. And he's good. Yeah, we're gonna marry
Nigga. Nigga.
him. I'm not really married. I ain't gotta wait years.
You got ball?
For sure.
Look,
I know for
nigga. Bye.
Why wouldn't
Go
you
get
do
ball.
it? It's not gonna be a, we're gonna just go to the city hall. They got like a little room. We're gonna do it there, and then we're gonna go to Antigua.
You wanna throw it again?
Everybody got their costume.
I'll throw it. Throw it up. Watch it all fall out.